Here we enter the Classic Car Club of America Museum, which basically covers most cars before 51, mostly from the 20s and 30s, such as this Wills St. Clair T6 Roadster, 1926. Lots of great, interesting cars like this Stutz 1928 model BB. Awesome styling back then, of course. Colors, very interesting. Like this Cord from 1930, from before they went to the concealed headlights. Town cars like this Packard 143. And you got your Pierce Arrow body there, along with another 1930 Stutz. They got a lot of neat things in here. Like that Cord over there, Cadillac. All of these cars from back, what would you call this? The golden era of automobiles, the Gilded Age. Bentleys, Mercedes, Cadillacs like this 370C from 1933, Packards, Buick like that 1936 Buick 80C, Delahaye Type 135M, Buick 40 Special. This one here was actually bought by a family and shipped over to England, where they made it a right-hand drive. Bentley, Rolls Royce. Look at those suicide doors. Ornate wood interior. Very nice. All the way back here to a 48 Lincoln Continental. Lots of people doing some shots by the other Cord over here. Amazing automobiles from that era displayed here for you to see. Here at the Gilmore Car Museum, 36 Lincoln. Look how long that car is. A whole different era of luxury in the 30s. The 1930s, 90 years ago or so, there's a Lincoln. Another Lincoln. KB, not to be confused with the K6390 over there. Nice Packard. No running boards, interesting. All the interesting designs from back in the day. 1930 Packard. And a 1930 Packard as well. 740. Just amazing designs back then. Look at those exposed spare tires. The Gilmore Car Museum. Come and check it out. Check out our other videos of this area and enjoy.